Hello students, we start the topic indices from class 9. It is chapter exercise 8, chapter 8 in ML Agrawal's book. You can use any standard book and almost concept sums, they are almost similar or same. So before I start, I'd like to give you all some concept of indices. Indices means actually it's a plural of word index. Index means power. So indices is plural of that, and we also call it exponents. So I think you have done a little bit of this in class 8 also. 9 moves a step further. So the very first rule is product law, where if you multiply, if the bases are same, we call it, then powers are added. So you can see the example, if 2 to the power 7 into 2 to the power 9, if bases are equal, then powers are added. So you get 2 to the power 16. So this was our first rule called product rule. Second is called quotient rule. Quotient rule means if the bases remain same and one is divided by the other, then the power is subtracted. Suppose you have 3 to the power 7 by 3 to the power 5, then we subtract 5 from 7. So when bases are same and if they are divided, then powers are subtracted. Next one is what we call power law. I can show you over here. Power's power is multiplied. Suppose we have 7 to the square to the power 3. So power's power, this is called power's law. So 7, the power is multiplied, you get 7 to the power 6. And these are the thing which I little bit explained, but when I do the sum, it will become, the concept will become more clearer. So a into b to the power m. So if there is something into something to the power, then what happens is the power goes with both. A to the power m into b to the power m. So power goes with both provided there is a multiplication sign. Same thing with division. A to the power b whole to the power m. It is power goes with a to the power m upon b to the power m. Root over anything, children, is to the power half. Cube root is to the power 1 by 3. Nth root, this is called nth root, is a to the power 1 by n. If anything is positive, it can be written as 1 by negative index. If this we will use very frequently, children. This is very important, this is very important, and these three are definitely we will be always using. All of these are used, but some are more frequently used than the others. Anything to the power 0 is 1. Negative power becomes 1 upon positive power. 1 to the power anything is 1. So with this basic idea, today, this is my part 1 introductory lesson. I will do all the easier questions, especially part 2 of question 1 to 10, and in my at least 2 more part I will need. Part 2 I will do little more difficult, and in the part 3 you will see the most difficult sum of this exercise 8. So here we start. So you can pause the video and copy whatever is there, and then I am going to solve sums for you. So here the first sum you see, first we change it into improper fraction. So if you see, we get this as 125, 1 into 64 plus 61 by 64 whole to the power minus 2 by 3. This is 5 square. Since it is power 3, so 125 is 5 cube. Children, you practice all the square and cubes of 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, not 1, 1 to the power anything is 1, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 to the power 4, like that, 2 to the power 10, Similarly 3 you can go to up to power 5. Okay, and likewise. So this will be 4 cube minus 2 by 3. So we take out common power. See this rule. This I take it like this. So 3 goes out, minus 2 by 3. 3 cancels. Then here one small rule you will see. Negative power becomes positive down. So here it will become 5 to the power minus 2 and 4 to the power minus 2, and finally you will see here this will be, we invert them. See here, negative power goes down and down's power will come up. So what happens? This will become 4 square by 5 square, and you will get this as 16 by 25. Once more, we change mixed fraction into improper fraction. We take the common power. We cancel, and negative power, how you make? Because generally most of the question you will say, they'll tell, write in the positive index, positive power, so you cannot leave like this. So just interchange them. This goes up, becomes positive, 5 becomes positive down, and we expand it. Next question, you see this, minus means 1 by power 1, I don't write, 1 by a to the power 1 plus 1 by b to the power 1. So simply I use this rule. Then what you will see, children, if you take LCM, it will be a plus b, or you can write b plus a, they are same, b plus a, this will go here, and LCM is AB. See here, LCM is AB, A goes B times and B goes A times. This I write generally as this division. You will have no confusion by 1 by AB. So B plus A I can write as A plus B by AB into AB. AB will cancel, and we will get A plus B as your answer. So please pause the video, copy everything nicely, then we will move on to question number 3 and 4. Now we move on to question 3 part 2. So what I do, children, see, 4 into 6 number I take out, there is into hidden here, 10 to the power 7 plus minus will be minus, and from denominator it will become minus. So we have 8 into this 10, already I have taken it up, so I don't write here. So denominator, so see 4, 6 comes here, 8 is here, all 10 I have put together, 7. Power is added, but plus minus is minus. Down it goes with minus sign. This is product rule, and this is your quotient rule. So you can cancel 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. 3 into 10 to the power 7 minus 15. So this is 3 into 10 to the power minus 8. This is 3 10 to the power 8. Okay. So negative power I take it down. You can keep it here, but generally power we keep it positive. Anything to the power 0 is 1, and this is negative power. When it goes down, it becomes positive. 8, you try to write, if there is 1 by 3, always try to write it in the power of 3. So 2 cube by 1 by 3. So finally we get 1 by 4 plus 2 to the power 1 is 2. So one very nice thing, 2 and plus 1 by 4 is 2, 1 by 4 directly you can get. But some student, what they do, they take LCM. Okay, 4. LCM is 4, 1 plus 1 will go 4 times, 4 2s are 8. So they get like this, and this is same as 2 1 by 4. So you don't need to take LCM and do 2, and if it is a proper fraction, then simply you put. If it is improper or mixed, there are different rule, but if it is proper, simply put it there. Next here children, see, remove the decimal place, you get 1000 upon minus 1 by 3. So the hint we get children is this I have to raise it to power 3, then 3 and this 3 will cancel out. So this is 3 cube and 10 cube minus 1 by 3. So by the rule number you will see 3 by 10, that rule you will see 3 into minus 1 by 3. So we get 3 to the power minus 1, 10 to the power minus 1. As I told you earlier, interchange them, numerator to denominator, denominator to numerator, both becomes positive, and this is improper fraction. So this will be the mixed fraction. So next one, so you can pause, you can go back and see. So slowly you can watch it. This one, see, there is 3 upon 3. So we will write it as 4. You could have written this as 2 to the power 6, but it is better to write 4 cube. 4 4 is 16, 4 cube is 64. And this will be written as 3 square because upon 1 by 2 is there. So we get 4 to the power minus 2 divided by 3 to the power minus 3. So 4 to the minus 2 and 3 to the power minus 3, just interchange it. So we get something like this. This is nothing but 3 cube is 27 by 16. If you write as mixed fraction, it will be 111 by 16. So kindly pause the video. These are easy sum. Take your time, play back, rewind, see, and copy nicely and practice. Next we move on to 8 part 2. Okay, let us see. Here 2 by 3, so 3's power we will do. So 3 cube and 8 is 2 cube. Similarly, this is 2 square, and anything to the power 0 is 1 children. So this is 3 by 2 cube into 2 by 3. So this common I take out by the rule where the power, common power goes out. So this is 2 to the power minus 2 into minus 2. This goes up, so it becomes minus, and again, and this is plus. So this is 3 square by 2 square. 3 has cancelled out, minus 2 to the power 4 plus 1. So what we have, if you see here, this is 9 by 4 minus 2 to the power 4 is 16 plus 1. I bring the plus together, 1 I take here, 1 plus 9 by 4 minus 16. So we have, if you take LCM, will be 4. So this will be 4 plus 9 minus 16 4s are 64. So if you do, this will be 13, so it will be minus 51 by 4. Okay, and you can convert it to mixed fraction. Then you will get 12 4s are 48, 3 by 4. minus sign. Check it back. 4 12s are 48 plus 1, 53 by 4. 48 plus 3, 51 by 4. Next, this will be 2 to the power 3 and x to the power 4, 1 by 3. So here, what do we get, children? 2 to the power 3 by 1 by 3, x to the power 4 into 1 by 3 and divided by means down. So this cancels, you get 2 x to the power 4 by 3 minus 1 by 3. So when you do this, you get 2 to the power x 4 minus 1 by 3. Common denominator, and then we subtract the numerator. So 3 by 3 this cancels, you get 2x. So once more, you have, make it 2 to the power 3, this becomes 2. 2 to the power x to the power 4 into 1 by 3 is 4 by 3, and this when it goes up, quotient law, this gets minus, simplify and you will get this. Now this sum you see, this will be 3 square because 2 is there into 5 by 2. So this will cancel, minus 3 into anything to the power 0, dot means into, is 1, and this is 1 by 9 square. So here we get 3 to the power 5 minus 3 minus, this was, this when it comes up, you remember, this becomes minus 2 into minus half. So we get 3 to the power 5, 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 3s are 81, 3s are 243. So 3 to the power 5 is 243 minus 3, and this 2 will cancel, and minus minus plus you will get. So 243 minus 12, you will get 231 as the answer. Once more, we cancel here, anything to the power 0 is 1, and this we take it up, it becomes minus, into power law. Power's power is multiplied. So we get 9 only. This is 3, and 3 to the power 5 is 243. So minus minus is added with minus sign, and then you get answer as 231. Kindly pause the video and copy, then we move on to the last sum for this session. So now we move on to one of the little more difficult question from question 1 to 10 is this question. That's why I am doing this at the very end. So what we have, see, everything we write as power of 5. So this is, it becomes 5 square. So power's power is multiplied. This is 5 square, and this is 5 to the power 2n. This one is 5, and this is 5 to the power 2n plus 3, and this is 5 square n plus 1. So first step, I have done everything 25 as 5 square. Now here if you see, 5 into this is 5 to the power 2n plus 2, and here this is 5 to the power 2n plus 2. Okay, see here, 2n. So product law, powers are added. Down if you see, this is 5 to the power 2n plus 4, 1 is there, this is added. 5 to the power 3 plus 1. And here also 5 to the power 2n plus 2. So next you will see this is 5 to the power 2n plus 3. This one is added. Minus 5 to the power 2n plus 2 upon 5 to the power 2n plus 4 minus 5 to the power 2n plus 2. So finally, if you see, most important step is we take out 5 to the power 2n plus 2. 2n plus 2, if you take out, children, like this here, I could have taken out here also, I will get 5. Okay. So this step I could have written, if you want in a better way, this 3 is right, you could have written like this into 5, and this one I have added. So we could have written this as 5 to the power 2n into 5 square, because we are ultimately taking out from everywhere 5 to the power 2n plus 2. So it's better we write in this way. Here I take out 5 to the power 2n. So what is left here? 5. I have taken out this full thing, 1 is left. Here I take out 5 to the power 2n. If I take out 5 to the power 2n plus 2, I am left with 5 square, that is 25. This I have taken out, I am left with 1. So this will cancel. We have got 4 by 24, which is 1 by 6. So see once more, children, how we are doing. We first convert 25 as power of 5. Then we open and multiply whatever is there in power law. We get here also, we do the same thing. Then we write everything, because we see here we can take out 5 to the power 2n plus 2. So this side also we have written like that. So little difficult for you, but if you practice, you will learn. So I take out common. This I take out, 5 is left here. This I take out, 1 is left. This I take out, 5 square, 25 is there. This I take out, 1 is there. This cancel, 5 minus 1 is 4. 25 minus 1 is 24. So if you cancel, reduce it to lowest term. This is 1 by 6 and this is your answer. So this was, children, my part 1 of my video lecture on indices exercise 8. In the second part, we will do 10 onward. This was up to 1 to 10. And third part, we will do the most difficult questions. So kindly practice. Thank you, boys, for watching this video.